And I'm getting rickets in my stomach a lot.
Oh!
Wow!
Ooh, breakfast. Stay out of sight.
Wonder how my golf hero Panther Irons did yesterday. 4! Woohoo! Panther Irons gets 5 hole-in-ones. Woohoo! I bet with a little practice I could score 5 hole-in-ones. Whoa!
Tilly!
I should have used an iron.
Oh, Tweaky, I just figured out our next con. Come on.
Wow!
Hey, chum, how would you like to play a charity miniature golf game with the Great Panther Irons?
Charity miniature golf?
The champ's in town for a special exhibition game, and anyone who beats him gets a spot on the Pro Tour.
Oh, I'm Panther. Hear me roar a lot.
Wow, Mr. Irons, I'm your biggest fan.
Yeah. Now, the game's down at the Miniature Golf Fun Park, so...
Woohoo! What are we waiting for?
Wait! There's a small matter and a $50 entrance fee.
$50 for miniature golf?
Yeah, but you see, if you win, you get to double your money back, sport. Yeah, now, why don't you go get yourself a putter? Come on, Tweaky, let's scram. Huh?
Attention! Putnam Stud Park is proud to have champion Panther Irons playing here on our course.
Whoa, 4! And 5 and such.
Oh, sorry, Panther has to go put on his game face.
Oh, more grabbing.
Now we're in them photos, you feather brain. The only way out of this is to play that dumb woodpecker.
Oh, Mr. Irons, you should do the honors.
I'll be right with you.
But, boss, I don't know nothing about playing golf for real.
Yeah? Well, you should have thought of that before you hammed it up for that peanut gallery back there.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do that.
Wow, guess that's why you're the champ.
Fixing this match is gonna be a cakewalk in the park, Tweaky.
Uh-huh. Yep. Okay, sweet. You got me on that first hole, Mr. Irons, but I know exactly how to play this one.
Oh, look, this guy writing our names. Oh, just to keep looking up a lot, please. Oh, the wind must have blown it away. Fame is so fleeting.
Ah! Something's fishy, and it's not the tuna I had for lunch.
Let's see. The score is Panther, 8 holes in 1, and Woody Woodpecker, well, a whole lot of shots. Who cares? You wouldn't want to write home about it anyways. The shot's loaded, Tweaky. Just tap it and let the rubber band do the rest.
Alive and for. Yeah, very victorious feelings.
Oops.
That does it. He's not Panther Irons. I'll teach these guys who impersonate my favorite golfer.
Ladies and gentlemen, Woody Woodpecker is poised to beat the champ. A hole-in-one here would cinch the win.
What are you gonna do, boss?
I'm gonna blow his ball off the course, then we're gonna blow on out of here with his dough.
Woody is teeing up, ready to face the final hole, Big Top Madness.
Wiggy! Help!
I win, boys. Not a bad golfing day either. Looks like I scored 2 birdies.